Apple Vision Pro has been released. They're ready to elevate your Apple TV Plus experience to a completely new level. 1. Enhanced color accuracy. The ability of Apple Vision Pro to give improved color fidelity is one of its primary characteristics. Each scene and frame of your show will be presented with astounding accuracy. The viewing experience will be more engaging and lifelike since the colors will explode with vitality. You'll see everything just as the creators intended, whether you're viewing a stunning nature documentary or a vibrantly colored cartoon series. 2. True HDR performance. High dynamic range HDR technology has become a cornerstone of modern television, and Apple Vision Pro takes it to the next level. You can expect true HDR performance, which means deeper blacks, brighter whites, and a wider range of colors. This translates into stunningly realistic visuals that capture every nuance of light and shadow. Whether you're watching a thrilling action sequence or a serene sunset, the details will be crystal clear. 3. Immersive sound. Don't overlook sound. Apple Vision Pro delivers cutting-edge audio with immersive spatial sound. From quiet whispers to epic roars, it's the perfect match for the stunning visuals. 4. Adaptive refresh rates. Apple Vision Pro adapts to your content on the fly. It matches the refresh rate to the video frame rate, ensuring a super smooth, blur-free picture whether you're watching a series or sports. 5. Seamless integration. Apple Vision Pro effortlessly syncs with your Apple devices for ultimate control. Use your iPhone or iPad as a remote and chat with Siri for a hassle-free, enjoyable TV experience. 6. Future-proofing. Investing in Apple Vision Pro means future-proofing your entertainment setup. With top-notch tech and regular updates, your TV stays cutting-edge for years. New Apple TV Plus content? You're all set for the ultimate viewing experience. Get ready for a revolutionary shift in your Apple TV Plus experience with Apple Vision Pro. It's not just a game changer, it's a masterpiece maker with unrivaled color precision, true HDR, dynamic refresh rates, immersive sound, seamless integration, and future-proofing. Your living room becomes a cinematic canvas. Your beloved Apple TV Plus shows will leave you spellbound as your home transforms into a silver screen masterpiece. Brace yourself for the television of tomorrow, where every viewing is a masterpiece in the making.